I don't know if it stopped, but it's supposed to beep. Alright, Robert, you gotta look at it, dude. What's the screen say? We gotta figure this shit out. Dude, I swear I read the thing. I read the thing like fucking 40 times. You gotta push the top button and hold it, I guess. I don't know.
Turn on.
Try to click the front one. Click the front one. You fucking piece of shit.
Fucker.
Bullshit. About 2 seconds of... That was fun, actually. Except for when you get to that, it's still going.